Alright, so I haven't started a video on this. I don't think I've uploaded any of my RX7 stuff lately. But I've gone ahead and removed my exhaust system. There it is. That's a pain in the butt. Alright. And of course I've always wanted to hear a rotary engine run without the exhaust. I don't believe that's bad for the engine. I've still got the pre-silencer on there. So let's see here. And here, let me show you under the car. Alright, so there it is. Alright. Let's see if this is a bad idea. I don't actually know. Actually, that's not as terrible as I thought it might be. Sounds pretty cool, actually. Wow, holy crap. Wow. I had no idea that engine could sound like that. Man, that's incredible. Wow, that's awesome. See that one more time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is what a non-turbo RX7 sounds like without the Y pipe or exhaust. And actually, it's pretty cool. I love it. So hopefully the new exhaust sounds cool. Alright, hold that one more time. Wow. That's awesome. Holy crap, that is too awesome. Alright, well that's it, folks. If you were wondering, there's your answer. And if you're wondering what a racing beat exhaust sounds like, the answer will come very soon. Bye-bye.